It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. Next, we're going to take a look in the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We also have a programmable memory seat. Down below, we have our power lift gate, as well as our premium Bose sound system. Over here we've got our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Here we have our power moonroof. And as we get right in the car, you'll notice our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. On this side we've got our cruise control buttons, including forward collision alert. We have our heated steering wheel button. And on this side, we've got our audio buttons. Over here, we've got our digital speedometer. We also have GMC's Infotainment Center, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have navigation. And the screen doubles as our backup camera. Down here, we've got dual climate control with air conditioning. We have our park drive buttons. And down below, we have our USB and power plug-ins. Over here, we've got our heated front seats, as well as lane departure and hill descent control, as well as our two-wheel and four-wheel drive dial. This Terrain comes with 19-inch wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine, and it also has a power lift gate. Now if we take a look in the back of the Terrain, we've got some power plug-ins. Those levers do fold down those rear seats with ease, and we also have some storage located down below. Next, we're going to take a look in the back of this 5-passenger vehicle. You can see we've got lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. On the door, we've got power windows. We've got some seat pockets, as well as some USB and power plug-ins. This center seat folds down into double cup holders. And if we have those longer, larger items we'd like to store in the back, we simply fold down these seats to accommodate those items. Come take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.